Hey everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at a trade in Adobe. Now, if you guys have followed me for any length of time, you know this is pretty much my go-to setup. So I want to just go over it real quick with everyone and point out what I think is a good setup that we have going on right now in Adobe. So the first thing we always look for is a breakout from a weekly and a daily consolidation. And you can see here that Adobe has been consolidating on the weekly chart. If we zoom that in a little bit, you can see that that area is basically between 79, 72 and 70, let's call it 73. So basically between $80 and $73 Adobe's been consolidating. You can see it's starting now recently to break out from that consolidation. Now if we take that one step further and we look at the daily chart, you could also see another consolidation on the daily chart. So here's basically the weekly consolidation, this bigger area right in here, this purple line. And then you could see here that the consolidation on the daily now is a little bit tighter. It's basically between 80.75 and 77.66. All right, and again, breaking out from that consolidation. So they're both breaking out along uptrends. All right, here's an uptrend on the daily, and if we zoom out on the weekly, you could see, if I get the right tool, you could see the breakout happening on the weekly chart. Okay, so here's a trend line along a weekly uptrend and a trend line along a daily uptrend, and again breaking out from both. So this is a great go-to setup for me. I'm going to take an entry tomorrow at 82.25 or whatever the open price is, and set my stop right here at 77.50. That basically puts us with a break of the 50-day moving average and just above the trend line. Okay, so a little aggressive on the stop. I think that's probably more than enough to, you know, if it were to break down below 77.50, I think that's more than enough to kind of cancel out the trade, considering how long it's gone sideways. But again, you know, good looking trade here. Nice move the last 3 days, so wouldn't be surprised to see a pause or even pull back a little bit tomorrow. But stop is essentially 77.50. So that's the trade in Adobe. Again, a dual breakout on the weekly and daily chart, and a go-to setup of mine. So any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you haven't tried out the premium membership yet, you can find a link to that right below the video. I recommend you do so. We're having a great couple weeks in the portfolio, and you know we're consistently making money and adjusting stops higher, so taking some risk off the table, adding into our profits, and like I said, the last couple weeks have been great. So take an opportunity, head on over there, check that out. And if this is the first time joining us, please go to the top of the page on the website and put in your email address. You'll be subscribed to all future video updates as they are released. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.